प्लीज डोंट थिंक लोग क्या सोचेंगे, बिकॉज लोग तो सोचेंगे ही सोचेंगे. हेटर्स आर द बेस्ट मोटिवेटर्स, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. उन्हीं से आपको मोटिवेशन मिलती है कि यार ये मेरे बारे में ऐसा सोचता है, मैं इसको ऐसा बन के दिखाऊंगी. सो या
She is just a regular girl, the girl next door, just like you and me. But the only difference is that she believes in her ideas, she believes in her visions, she believes in her dreams. And most importantly, she believes in the fact that she can convert her ideas to reality. Well, she's an influencer, a content creator, a skincare enthusiast, a model, a dancer, and most importantly, she's self employed. Without any further ado, let me present to you the girl herself, Miss Soni Panjaban 2020, Harnoor Kaur Kapoor. Welcome, ma'am.
Hi Muskan, how are you?
I am fine. Thank you, Harnoor. How are you?
Thank you. I am good. Thank you so much for such an amazing introduction.
So, diving into the interview now, Harnoor. See, there are a lot of people, and since the theme for today is hashtag entrepreneur in you, so there are a lot of people out there, जो डरते हैं अपने खुद के आइडियाज को मौका देने से, बाहर आने से, लोगों के सामने खुद को एक्सप्रेस करने से. So, I mean, everybody requires that courage, to take the first step, to start. People don't know where to start from. So, how did that happen for you? I mean, how did you take the first step? How did you start? And what was it like? Please share your experience with us, your
Okay,
journey.
so I love experiments. I keep experimenting things. Now, when it comes to content creation, I always wanted to do this, but I had no guts. Like, कि मैं जो सोचती हूँ, if I upload that on Instagram, I was really conscious. लोग क्या सोचेंगे? ये क्या upload कर रही है? So I was really conscious. So I finally thought कि चलो एक बार try करके देखते हैं. If I get a good response, तो I'll continue with that. So this is what I did. When I started, I got a tremendous response on the videos and all the content which I posted. So there are ups and downs in this also. But at the early stage, I got a very good response, which motivated me to create more and more content.
Right.
Now, when it comes to the thing that I want to continue this or not, I surely want to continue if I get a good response. But yeah, surely this thing sets my soul on fire. So I am hoping that if I get a good response in future also, I'll continue with this. But
So,
I'll keep trying.
okay. So, I mean, it is very important, like you said, for people to give it a try. I mean, to
Yeah, of
give,
course.
right. You just said that it was Instagram was, very, very, and the social media was very, very receptive towards you. People gave a very good response on your content. But let's not ignore one very important thing which is associated with social media, and that is the lot of, the tremendous amount of hatred that exists on social media. Not like hatred, but there are so many opinions like from everybody, not just the faceless पर्सन जो आपके इंस्टा पोस्ट पे या आपके यूट्यूब वीडियो पे कमेंट कर रहा है, उसके अलावा भी इवन योर ओन फैमिली मेंबर्स, आपकी आंटी, आपकी ताई जी, आपकी दोस्त की मम्मी, लाइक हर बंदे को जज कर रहा है, मतलब हर बंदे को जज बनना है, हमारी सोसाइटी के अंदर. तो व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू से टू दोज पीपल जिनको उतनी अच्छी स्टार्ट नहीं मिल पाती है, एंड इवन आप कैसे डील करते हो विद ऑल द हेट्रेड दैट समटाइम इज अ पार्ट ऑफ, वेरी सैडली इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ सोशल मीडिया. हाउ डू यू डील विद दैट?
Okay, so talking about criticism, see, there are two types of criticisms, constructive and destructive. So I always tell this to my followers that if there's any feedback, if there's any constructive criticism that you want to tell me that Harnoor आपको यहाँ पे improve कर लेना चाहिए, it's always welcome. And अगर आप मेरा content compare करोगे from March to August, I have actually worked a lot on my content. And this is all because of the people. उन्होंने मुझे feedbacks दिए. That is why I have improved. So yes, constructive criticism is very important. Talking about the haters. Haters are the best motivators, to be honest. उन्हीं से आपको motivation मिलती है कि यार ये मेरे बारे में ऐसा सोचता है, मैं इसको ऐसा बन के दिखाऊंगी. So yeah, haters are very important. Haters से ना आप लोगों को motivation मिलनी चाहिए कि मुझे better करना है. Yes, of course, it's not that easy. जब hate comments आते हैं, obviously बहुत बुरा लगता है. But it's life ना, और वैसे भी हमें ये सोचना चाहिए that we are trying and they are just sitting on a chair and judging us on the basis of a 1 minute video. They are not even thinking कि इन्होंने इस video के पीछे कितनी मेहनत की है, इन्होंने ideas सोचे हैं, they have shot the video, they have edited the video, and what you have done, you are doing just Netflix and chill, and you're just judging people. So I am over all this. I just keep focusing on my content, and I just want to keep getting better. That's it.
Yeah, that's a very, very good approach that you have out there. And I mean, everybody should have that approach. You know, they should turn a blind eye towards all these hate comments, very rightly said. So, Harjoon, moving on, I mean, I feel, you know, it is very sad that, you know, there are a lot of, especially girls out there, girls को लेके, it is very sad, but आज भी हमारी country के अंदर parents are very, very protective, you know. कि मत करो पोस्ट, क्या करना है खुद को हाईलाइट करके, यू नो क्यों लाइमलाइट में आना है, ये सब चीजें मत करो, कुछ नहीं रखा, समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो दैट्स वेरी वेरी डीमोटिवेटिंग. एंड लेट्स नॉट जस्ट जनरलाइज गर्ल्स आउट देयर. इवन अगर कोई एंटरप्रेन्योर या कोई भी बंदा अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने जाता है अपनी मेन स्ट्रीम यू नो लाइन से हट के, जो ऑलरेडी बिजनेस फैमिलीज में बिलोंग नहीं करते हैं, या अपना खुद का स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट करना चाहता है, तब भी फैमिली की तरफ से बहुत ज्यादा एक होता है कि आई मीन इट इज नेचुरल दैट देयर इज अ रिस्क इन्वॉल्व. बट इन सब चीजों की वजह से क्या होता है ना, दैट पीपल आर नॉट एबल टू गिव देयर आइडियाज आइडियाज अ ट्राई. So which is very very sad. I mean, what would you like to say to all the people out there, to all the parents especially, who are not supportive, who are not encouraging, and even the people who are struggling with all of the taboos and you know the stigma associated with social media?
Okay, honestly, when I started content creation, even my parents were, I'll not say against, but they were like, ये क्या है, रोज कुछ ना कुछ shoot करना. Even they were not that supportive. Now, so they are very supportive. But at that time, उनको नहीं पता था. See, parents के time पे ये चीजें नहीं होती थी, तो उनको नहीं पता. हमें ही उनको बताना पड़ेगा that this is what we are doing, and you know, इस time पे talking about entrepreneurs, talking about content creators, talking about influencers. Everything is based on e-commerce, on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter. So हमारे parents के time पे ये चीजें नहीं होती थी. So obviously they'll find it unique, या फिर they'll find कि ये क्या हो रहा है. So we have to introduce these things to our parents. And you know, when I started, my parents were like, ये क्या है, रोज कैमरा खोल के तैयार होके बैठ जाओ, तुम्हें भी चैन नहीं है. But when they started, you know, my parents are now on Instagram. So जब उन्होंने देखना शुरू किया that I am getting a good response, brands are collaborating with me, so then उनको ये चीज अच्छी लगी कि यार हमें भी टाइम के साथ चेंज होना पड़ेगा. So for obviously this is for all the parents, please support your children, please support, because आपके support के बिना वो कुछ भी नहीं कर पाएंगे. You know, मेरी भी ग्रोथ अपने पेरेंट्स की वजह से ही हुई है. पहले तो मैं बहुत एक ऑर्डिनरी सी, यू नो, आई वाज अ रेगुलर गर्ल, बट जब मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मुझे सपोर्ट करना शुरू किया, मेरी मम्मा मुझे आइडियाज देती हैं, सो दैट इज व्हाई तब से मेरी ग्रोथ ज्यादा हुई है. तो अगर पेरेंट्स सपोर्ट करेंगे ना, तो आपका वो जो स्टूडेंट्स का या फिर किसी का भी ना मेंटल सपोर्ट मिल जाता है. सो पेरेंट्स के लिए यही है कि प्लीज सपोर्ट, योर सपोर्ट इज मच नीडेड.
We can definitely see from your videos that you're very very close to your mom, and she definitely gives you ideas. So how has the experience been of working with her? I mean how does she does she like all of this? Does she enjoy shooting videos alongside you?
She is like me only. मतलब my mama is like कि मेरी मम्मा को भी मेरी तरह पिक्चर्स का, शूटिंग का बहुत ज्यादा क्रेज है. सो मतलब बिल्कुल मेरी तरह ही है. सो दैट इज वाई जब मैंने उनको अपनी वीडियोस में लाना शुरू किया, तो मेरी मम्मा स्टार्टेड एंजॉयिंग. एंड कितनी बार तो ऐसा होता है कि किसी चीज में मैं इतनी अच्छी नहीं हूँ, तो मेरी मम्मा मुझे गाइड कर देती है. मतलब यू मस्ट हैव सीन कि ऑब्वियसली आई एम नॉट अ प्रो, तो मैं सबके आइडियाज लेती रहती हूँ, एंड माय मम्मा इज बिहाइंड ऑल माय आइडियाज मोस्टली. एंड मेरी मम्मा बहुत एंजॉय करती है वीडियोज में. सो यस, मतलब उनको भी, मतलब अब मेरी मम्मा इज लर्निंग एवरीथिंग इंस्टाग्राम पे आके, यू नो, शी इज ऑल्सो ग्रोइंग, एक्सप्लोरिंग थिंग्स, एंड शी इज लाइक अब तो मैं भी ब्लॉगर बनूंगी, अब तो मैं भी कोलैबोरेट करूंगी. तो यस,
so मतलब this is really nice कि even she is getting motivated आपको देख के to
yes मतलब मम्मा इज लाइक कि यार मेरे टाइम पे ऐसा नहीं होता था, बट चलो माय डॉटर इज डूइंग दीज थिंग्स एंड मैं भी एंजॉय कर लेती हूँ साथ में. तो यस, शी एंजॉयज एंड शी सपोर्ट्स मी.
That is really good. Acha, now coming to a little bit one more question. it is कि यार it is very difficult for people to gather all the resources, to gather probably the right team, and probably that is from the point of view of starting a business also, that human capital, I mean, it is one of the most important resources, but it is also one of the most difficult resources to gather. अगर हम आपके फील्ड की बात करें, तो अगर आप वीडियो क्रिएट करते हो, probably the right people for editing videos, for shooting videos, for probably your idea is to think of valid content, right? To get the ideas. But then how do you create the team? I mean, what is the process like? इसका process कैसे work होता है?
So basically, as far as my if talking about myself, I am a one man team. So so मेरे लिए there's no team. मैं ही अपनी videos edit करती हूँ, shoot तो मम्मा कर देती है या मेरा भाई कर देता है. But yeah, there's no as such team because अभी मैंने बस start किया है. मतलब अभी सिर्फ बस थोड़ा सा time हुआ है मुझे ये start किए हुए. But obviously अगर मुझे किसी को suggestion देना हो तो मैं यही कहूंगी कि जितना आप किसी पे डिपेंड हो जाते हो ना, आपका वो कंटेंट डाउन हो जाता है. बिकॉज what actually is there on Instagram, consistency is very important. So I'll give you an example. Few days back I posted a dance video and उसमें क्या था कि एक प्रोफेशनल फोटोग्राफर ने वो वीडियो शूट की थी एंड एक एडिटर ने वो वीडियो एडिट की थी. सो आई हैड टू वेट फॉर 3 days कि ये प्रोसेस खत्म हो. एंड उससे क्या हो गया, मेरी एंगेजमेंट गिर गई इंस्टाग्राम की. आई हैड टू वेट for like 3 days and I had to call them every now and then कि हो गया. So that was really terrifying. मतलब मुझे लग रहा था कि यार मैं खुद ही कर देती edit. So obviously आपको खुद आना चाहिए सब कुछ. If you are starting just like me now, talking about team, तो obviously जब आप grow करोगे तो you have to search, you have to see कि कौन सा बंदा कौन सी चीज में best है. So that is how you select your team. But as far as content creation is concerned, आपको धीरे धीरे पता चलता रहेगा. But yes, सबसे बेस्ट है कि आपको सब कुछ आना चाहिए. Now I'll tell you, मुझे editing बिल्कुल नहीं आती थी. I really sucked at it. मतलब मुझे बिल्कुल भी नहीं आती थी. So I started editing my videos and अब it's very easy for me to edit. I just shoot the video morning में and I just upload it at 9 p.m. रात को. So it's very easy for me to edit now क्योंकि मैंने learn किया है धीरे धीरे experience से. So yes, team, there's no as such team here. You just have to do all the stuff yourself. You should be independent in this thing.
Yeah, I mean, initially you should have the skill yourself and then maybe obviously you can acquire the right kind of people, right? Okay, so now Harnoor, one very, very important question where we are, almost towards the end of the interview. So before we end this video, I really want to ask you कि आप क्या message देना चाहोगे to all the people out there who are watching this video today? What is the major message that you would like to give out to people?
Okay, so the major message is that this is the right time to do everything. If you are planning to start a YouTube channel, if you are planning to do content creation, if you are planning to start influencing culture, you can do it right now. Please don't wait कि यार, I'll tell you one thing. People are of the opinion कि यार आजकल तो सब bloggers बन रहे हैं. So what यार, if people want to come out and they want to showcase their talent, I think Instagram is the best thing for that. Try to कर रहे हैं at least. So I think if you are thinking to start anything, please do it right now. Please don't think लोग क्या सोचेंगे, because लोग तो सोचेंगे ही सोचेंगे. This LKK syndrome, which is लोग क्या कहेंगे, is the worst I have seen. अगर ये हमारी लाइफ से निकल जाए तो हमारी 70% problems चली जाएंगी. We can grow जितना हम कर रहे हैं उससे double. So for all the people out there who are thinking to start a YouTube channel or to start anything, please do it right now. Please लोगों की वजह से अपना step back मत हो. And as far as content creation is concerned, please be real. On Instagram, what I have learned is that you don't have to be perfect. You just have to be real. That is why audience आपसे connect कर पाएगी and you will be able to grow by that.
So Harnoor, thank you so much. I mean, it was lovely conversing with you. The message that you gave out, I mean, it is very important for the people out there to understand that this is the right time for whatever they want to start, especially the people who are in college, people like me. I mean, thank you so much. It was a lovely conversation, the lovely interview that we've had.
Okay, thank you so much, Muskan. And for all the people out there, support EDC, subscribe to their channel, follow all their social media accounts, and let's all grow together.